Hey everyone, welcome back. Need to update your card on Cash App in 2025? Well, I'm going to show you a quick fix to keep your payments flowing. First, grab your phone and open Cash App. Works on both platforms, iOS and Android. Tap the banking app. That's the bank icon at the bottom left. You'll see your current linked card or bank account under linked accounts. If your card is outdated, it might say expired or just sit there quietly. Time to update it. Step number 2, swap it out. Tap linked accounts, then hit add credit or debit card. Grab your new card and enter the details, card number, expiration date, CVV and zip code. Double check for typos. Fat fingers ruin it. Hit add card. If you want to ditch the old one, tap it, select remove card, and confirm. New card's now your go-to. Now verified. Cash App might ping your card with a small test charge, like $1. That drops off later. Check your bank app or statement for a 4-digit code, then pop back to Cash App, tap the new card and enter that code. Done. Your card's ready for sending, spending, or boosting. I updated mine in under a minute. So that's how you update your card on Cash App. Very easy, guys. Drop your experience below. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.